Hello. Today is the 13th day of my marathon, and today I felt like postponing my undoubtedly yourself responsibilities until the latest possible time. I even didn't meditate on time today, but it's okay. I am confident I'll still get everything done today, even though it's already now 10:15 p.m. Uh, as for yesterday, everything went according to plan, so I am happy with that. However, the fact that I've almost developed a habit of doing things late in the evening doesn't thrill me. But, but, I'm not giving up and I'm moving forward. Uh, because everything always work out perfectly for me because my universe take care of me. Everything is going as it should. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.